Cabin crew, prepare for takeoff. Ever wonder what life's like at 35,000 feet? A cabin crew member's day is more than just serving snacks and beverages. It's a whirlwind of safety checks, passenger care, and sometimes unexpected turbulence. Early mornings, check. Late nights, double check. But it's not all about the demanding schedule. Imagine with each flight you're in a new city, a new culture, a new adventure. Yes, it's exhausting, but oh, the places you'll go. The Eiffel Tower today, the Great Wall tomorrow, and the best part, meeting people from all walks of life. So next time you're buckled in, remember, the friendly face ensuring your comfort has a world of stories to tell. That's the life of a cabin crew member, folks. Until next time, safe travels.